Come get your bath, son. Steven, a package came for us. I love how this is the second time I'm opening a piece of art for the bird. Why? I didn't expect this, but I love it. This is packaged so well. I think this came all the way from Oregon. Oregon to Scotland for a seagull. Feeding my pet seagull. Oh, mamma mia. Stop licking the knife. That's insane. Stop it. Oh, there's a note. I hope this makes it to you all in one piece. I threw in another painting as a bonus. You can find out more of the stuff I'm doing on Instagram. It would mean a lot to me if you could give me a shout out on my Instagram page. I'm gonna put his Instagram up on the screen for these ridiculous paintings. You sent me a picture of them, and if they look even half as cool as they do online, this is just amazing. Like, there is no better gift than a painting of a seagull. I'll let you look at it first. Oh, I love it.
It's really colorful in real life.
Yeah, wow.
I didn't expect that.
That's incredible. What's the other one?
Very expressive.
Oh.
Serious.
Spooky Steven. These are great. Like, imagine that. Like, in like 10 years to come, we have these just up in the house.
That's a really good seagull painting.
People are like, what's that? I'm like, oh yeah. Little YouTube channel I was doing back in the day.
But honestly, Crack Steven is my favorite.
Yeah, we call this Crack Steven because, well, I guess you can probably tell. Skoda. Right, Steven is a mucky pup today, so we're gonna give him a little wash. Oh, Steven, too soon, too soon, too soon. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, son. Here you go. Oh, that was disgusting. I didn't even get it on camera. That was so quick, blood went everywhere. Good thing I've got this little basin here. One more. Good man. Just chuck a few wormies in here. A few wormies in here. Come on, son. Oh, there you go. He's got his foot just on my wrist and it is so cold. He's got the coldest feet. Oh, he's kind of scaring me. Right, Steven, hop off. Hop off, buddy. Good man. Such a good boy, Steven. You started off so reckless and so violent. You still are, but you're getting better by the day. Clean those feet. When he wants to, he can be the most gentle bird ever. We'll show him the paintings. So this is the first one. We call it Crack Steven. Oh, he doesn't like it. He looks genuinely angry. I love them so much. I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya, bitch.